Today I'm going to show you how to create a classroom in Google Classroom. So you're going to go to Google and write in Google Classroom. You're going to click on Google Classroom. It's going to show you, you're going to create an account, but today we're going to use my friend's account. She's a high school English teacher. She has one already set up and she uses it all the time. We're definitely not going to save her password. Alright, so the home page shows you past classes, but I'm going to show you how to create a class. You're going to go up to the right hand corner where the plus sign is and click it. You have two options, to join a class or create a class. Well, I'm teaching you to create a class. We're going to click that. We're going to name the class. We're going to name it American Literature. I'm going to put period 1. It's up to you of what you want to choose because it's on the base of, say you have just one class you're teaching, then you put in one class. But today, I have my period 1 per se. I want to give them this lesson. So the subject I'm going to write in is English. And then you hit create. So the first thing I want to do is make this a little creative. So we are going to change the background. So you're going to go up to the right and select theme. And look at all the choices we have. How fun. Let's do, I like the butterfly. Let's make this interesting. Colorful, positivity. All right. So now we're going to add an assignment to our classroom. You're going to go to the bottom plus sign. And then you have reuse posts. Reuse posts is something that you post in the past and you want to share with maybe another period or show with another class, anything. If you click that, you can see past posts you use. But we're not going to go there right now. The next option is create question. This is great for discussions. If you have a class discussion, definitely post in a question, then your students can add on to that. The next one is to create an assignment. Let's skip that for now because that's what we're doing today. Let's go to create an announcement. You can create an announcement and your announcement will go to your students' email, which is a great access to if you forgot to say something in class, do it after school and they can check it at home and so forth. But we're going to create an assignment. We're going to title it and let's title this TP Cast Raven. The Raven's a book that high school TP Cast The Raven. It's a book that students read in high school. And you're going to have to write instructions on this. So let me write my instructions on this. Students will analyze the poem, The Raven, for structure and tone. Use the given format in order to do your analysis. This is done independently. Oh, I did say The Raven's a book. It's actually a poem. I apologize for that. Okay, so due date. Due date, pick any due date you want. So I'm doing this tonight, so let's say it's due Friday, tomorrow. Time, let's say 12 o'clock p.m. If they don't finish in class, they have time. It's homework. Topic, I'm not going to do a topic. Okay, so this is where it gets interesting. Oh, let me go back to the due date. So say that that's when I want it to be due. If I feel like it's not enough time, you can go back and change the due date, which is phenomenal. Because if you can see that students aren't turning it in, you can give them an announcement, hey guys, just so you know, I'm extending the due date, and you can extend it, go back into the assignment. Now we're going to go to attachments. We all know what the paperclip is, that's attachments, but that's not something you really want to use. The best thing on this to use is Google Drive. so they can have a copy and it says their name after it. You can do a hyperlink, which is over here, and you can do a video. But for your sake as a teacher, it's easier to grade if you make a copy for the student because it says the name afterwards. So the drive is amazing. And then after that, you're going to... Oh, okay, so this is for period 1. But I can assign this to any period I want. So say I want all my classes to have it. I can do that. But since I just labeled it period 1, I'm going to say they can have the more work and they get it. And then you just go to assign. If it's going to assign. All right, so that's how you create an assignment. To conclude this tutorial, I'm going to tell you one last thing. Students need access to this, right? So on the students side, they're going to log in and hit students. They need an access code, which is on the left side of the screen. This access code is for them to get into Google Classroom. This code will never change. I hope you learned a little bit about this tutorial and you enjoy and use Google Classroom in the future. Thank you very much and you have a wonderful day.